If you give answers 4 out of 4, you are a genius. Question 1. How many pounds are there in 1 kilogram? Options: A. 23046, B. 2046, C. 21046, D. 2146.
Correct answer, B. 22046.
Question 2. Asthma is provoked by options: A. Fever, B. Allergy, C. Cold, D. Headache.
Correct answer, B. Allergy.
Question 3. Vitamin C is present in option: A. Milk, B. Wheat, C. Oranges, D. 10.
Correct answer, B. Allergy.
Question 4. 1.272747 is A. Options: A. Rational number, B. Irrational number, C. Integral, D. Whole number.
Correct answer, B. Irrational number.